Hi beautiful people, it's been a long while, but all the same we thank God that we are here once again. Tomorrow is New Year's Day and we are having Guinea Fowl. So tomorrow this is what we are having, Guinea Fowl. This is the mesh. I've made it already. I'll put the recipe down. It's the same recipe as the Nando's recipe, so I'll put it down below. So we're going to wash this. We're going to wash the Guinea Fowl, clean it beautifully and spice it and leave it for tomorrow. So guys, let's go and wash it and then we'll come back to do the spice. Okay beautiful people, our Guinea Fowl is washed and clean. So our confirm is washed and clean. I'm going to spice it, so I'm going to season it and leave it for tomorrow. But first of all, let me use a bit of lemon. Okay. Okay, so we're going to season the Guinea Fowl now. Okay. My son said he doesn't want to see inside the Guinea Fowl. Is chicken what? Don't say anything. Oh gosh. Oh lovely people, we are having fun here. Don't worry, I'm gonna invite you guys. Yeah, tomorrow we're going to have it with fried yam and it's gonna be yummy. I'll make sure I invite you all. So, and because it's Nando's spice, we're going to have a bit of Nando's smell in the house. So this is our New Year's Day Guinea Fowl spice. It's gonna go in the oven. Yeah, I'm gonna invite you all, don't worry. That's it guys, our Guinea Fowl is all spiced, seasoned. So I'm going to cover it, put it in the fridge, and then it goes in the oven tomorrow. Okay guys, that's all there is to it really. Alright, that is our Guinea Fowl ready to go in the oven. And this is sweet potato that I'm going to roast with it. Alright, so guys, let's see how it goes in the oven. Okay, it's gonna go in the oven, so we will come back in an hour's time to check it and see how it's going. So maybe it's gonna go in for about an hour and a half. So let's see, we will come back again to check it. Our Guinea Fowl is almost ready, so we're going to turn it around and put it back for another 30 minutes. And our sweet potato too is getting there. Alright guys, let's put it back. Our New Year's Guinea Fowl is ready. That is the Guinea Fowl. We've got tilapia. We are having it with fried yam. Oh, being gator. Yeah. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. Oh, and we've got our Fanta from Ghana.